How to create a Shopify store for one product. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys how you can create your Shopify store for one product. So I have my store over here and I don't want multiple different products. Maybe I'm creating this like as a sample or something, and I just want to sell maybe one specialty product. Like let's say I'm selling one LED light. So I don't need, multiple different pages. I only want one page, and then I just want my checkout system. I don't want, all those things. I just want it to be focused directly on the call to action of purchasing the product. So we're going to be building that step by step, and I will show you guys exactly how you can get started. So let's say I'm just selling a light bulb, and I will just go on to Canva, and I will just add a couple of images. I'm just going to search for banner over here, and I can take a banner like this one. This is like a very nice banner. And I'm just going to change the image over here. Instead of this one, I can just choose, my own image. You can upload images of your own item like this. You can enter a picture of your own item, click on layer, and then click on send to back like that. And now I can just click on share, download this item, and now I'm going to go into my Shopify store. Now in your Shopify store, first off, you want to go into your product section, click on add your products. You want to add your singular product. So I'm just going to search for a LED light projector. I'm just using this as a sample image, and I'm just saving my image so I can upload it in my product over here. Click on add files, and I will upload my file over here. Then you have the price. So let's say it's for $30. Then you have taxes if you want to calculate those. You have your fulfillment. I don't want to track quantity. If I do, you can add how many you have, and you can just save it just like that. So I'm just going to add a couple of more items. You have your physical product, and you also have variants. You can add colors and sizes. But now that we have added our product, we can go into online store on the left side of our screen. And from here, we will actually be getting started with setting up our store. So once you click on online store, you are just going to click on customize. And if you have any pre-existing pages, so you click on online store, click on pages, and you will be able to see multiple different pages. You're just going to delete any pre-existing excess pages that you no longer require. You just want a default home page. So if I click on my store right now, this is it. It doesn't have, any excess pages at all. It's just a very simple, basic website. So if I go into my catalog as well, it only has one product. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my navigation, and I'm actually going to go into my main menu. And in my main menu, I want to remove the catalog section. Why? Because I want it to be a single page website. So you can choose to add them if you want. I don't want to have a catalog page separately. So I'm just going to only have a main menu. And that is it. Now, after that, I'm going to go into my themes. Then I'm going to click on customize. Now this will open up the block editor on Shopify. So first off, I'm going to click on this, upload my banner image. I can just click on over here, add images. And the Canva design that I created, I'm going to use that over here. And I'm having an error because it has a larger file resolution. So I'm just downloading a smaller version of my banner, and I'm going to upload that instead. And you can choose, whatever image you want, but we're just going to go on ahead and upload this instead. And this is now uploading, and once this has been uploaded, I will select it to set it as my banner. Now, using a sales banner is just a great way to get people to, browse your store. So once I've uploaded my photo, you are going to change the overlay. So you can add the overlay opacity like that, and I'm just going to make it very, very light overlay. Or I'm just going to remove the overlay altogether. Then you have the overall size. Let's say I want it to be a medium banner or a small banner. You can choose that. Now, once you have that, you want to go back and you have your little text over here. I'm going to remove the text, and I am going to go into the buttons, and you have the button added, and you can move the button around. So for that, I like to just go on ahead, and I'm going to click on change this and make it a buy now button. And this is going to link to a specific product. I'm gonna go ahead and link it to my one product that I have, which is the LED light bulb, and that is it. So once I've customized my button as well, you can also, change the padding of this to resize it or place it differently, you could say. So you can do that as well. Now, moving on to our next section, we have our featured products. Now, instead of having your featured products right below, because this is a single website where it has no other navigation pages, you can just click on over here. And instead of having saying, featured collection, you can click on over here. And I'm going to write one bulb for everything, just like that. Then you have the image ratio on this as well. And I'm just going to scroll down a little. And you have your image ratio. So I'm going to make it square. And you can show vendors, you can show product ratings, all that. And then you have your top padding and your bottom padding, how you want everything to be gapped in between. So I don't want a lot of gap on the bottom, so I'm going to remove that like so. Now once I've added that, I can click on add block, and I can add multiple different sections as well. I can add more images, I can add descriptions. So all I have to do is click on add section, and you can choose whatever kind of section you want. You can see you have email sign up, contact forms, videos, blog posts, pages, multi-column. Let's say I want to add image with text. I will just enter that. And I'm going to move this section up actually above like my featured collection, and I'm just going to edit this. And after that, I can, change the bottom text like so. And then you're going to click on the image, click on select image on the top left, and you can upload images of your product. So whatever product it might be, we're just going to open this. And once our image has been uploaded, I will just insert it over here. Just like that. And now in the button section, you're just going to click on this. It's going to be a buy now, and this is going to lead to your checkout. So once you've designed this, you're just going to click on save over here on the top right. And once you click on save, you can exit. And now if I show you guys my store, this is what the store currently looks like. It looks pretty amazing. I have a nice little one-page website. And in my one-page website now, what I'm going to do is all I have to do is set up my checkout system. So you can go into your settings and go into checkout. You can just go on ahead, require basic option, basic informations, and you can automate the checkout section. Now, before you can enable checkout, you have to enable payments. So you're going to go into payments, and you can click on add manual payment method. You can add any kind of payment method that you want, like that. Now, once you've added your payment method and you've added, your shipping and delivery information and your checkout as well, you're going to be ready to get started. And now you can actually, get people to purchase your product. Obviously, I haven't set up my checkout page, so I can't really do it right now, but this is how simple and easy it is to get started with a one product website on Shopify. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.